Morning. We're going to go over the Chapter 5 sample quiz. Now, you've only been in class for a short period of time, so I wanted to give you a chance to go over what the quiz will be on. So, don't let this be you. Plan ahead, watch the video. Now, how I want you to do this is I want you to take the sample quiz you have, okay? Take a separate sheet of paper and answer all the questions as best you can, showing all your work. Figure out as best you can, okay? Then watch this video and correct it and see where you made your mistakes, okay? Then I want you to set that aside after you've watched the video, and I want you to do it again on another separate piece of paper, and then correct it again. And if you have to watch this one more time, do it. When you're done, actually what I should say is you're done when you can take the quiz and get them all right. Okay, if you do that, you'll do great on the quiz. All right, here we go. All right. Answer the following, showing your work and circling your answers when it is possible. Write the ratios in lowest terms. So that's just simplifying these fractions. So this is going to equal, well, since they both have 3's in them, right? It's 2 times 3 over 3 times 3. What you really have is 2 over 3. Pretty straightforward. Put a box around it and you're done. 5/4 to 7/4. Remember, we put them up here. All right, now, okay, hang on one second. I'm going to take the keyboard off my computer. Come on, silly thing. If I take the keyboard off, haha, keyboard, woo. Okay, now I can get closer to it and write better. Otherwise, my writing is atrocious. Okay. I know, you're probably going to say it's atrocious anyway. All right, so now I can flip and multiply. 5 over 4 times 4 over 7. The 4's cross out. I'm left with 5 over 7. Pretty easy. All right, 2.4 to 1 to 15. Okay, I'm going to change this into, get rid of the decimal, 240, no, sorry, 24 over, now this gains the 0 because I moved this one decimal place. I have to move this one decimal place and give it a 0. Okay, now if I simplify this, well, I know they both have 3's in them and probably, yeah, 6's. So let's take the 6's out first. Okay, 24 is 6 times 4. And 150 is 3 times 50, so it is 6 times 25. All right, so the 6's come out. Now I have 4 over 25, and sure enough, that's as low as I can go. If I still had like 2 even numbers or something, I would continue. All right, whoops, we were supposed to box them. Don't forget to box your answers. I don't like having to search for answers. All right, moving on. All right, now it's telling us miles per hour. You can see it's telling me right up here what I want to do. All right, I'm looking for what is the rate of the train in miles per hour. Okay, so I want, oops, I'm sorry, I'm just not even doing that right. Okay, so what I want is miles per hour. Well, I have 240 miles in 3 hours. So I simplify this. 240, a third of 240 is going to be 80. So I have 80 miles per hour. There we go. Okay? Not too hard. Basically just simplifying. All right, down below, notice on this next question, I have dollars per pound. All right, so dollars per pound. So I have $9.82 and 5 pounds. So what I have to do is simplify this. I'm going to actually divide it. I'm going to do that over here. I did it again. I keep leaving you. Hi. Okay. $9.82 divided by 5. Well, 5 doesn't go into 9, but it goes into 98. It goes into 98 19 times. Yes. Can't go into 98 19. 5 does go into 9. What am I thinking? Whoops, not that. Oh dear. Okay. Sorry, I was going all over the place. All right. 5 goes into 9 once. All right, and that's a 5, and I bring that down, and I subtract. I have a 4. I bring down the 8. 5 goes into 48 9 times. Now remember, I had a decimal here, so I have a decimal here. 9 times. 5 times 9 is 45. All right, I subtract. I have 3. I bring down my 2. 5 goes into 32. Well, 30, so 6 times. 6 times, right? So that's 30. And that leaves me with a 2. Well, I could keep going, but I can only go down to pennies anyway. So the price is $1.96. $1.96. Oh dear, I just wrote a pi symbol. Silly me. Dollars per pound. $1.96 per pound. So that would be my final answer.